throw punches, kicks, and block. Your body will actually tell you to move like a fighter. And not necessarily with a sparring partner or punching bag. Just strike like a fighter. But be warned, after doing this workout, you will feel like you went a couple rounds with an MMA champion. But in a good way. No bruises, no missing teeth. Let's go. First and foremost, do not start this routine without a proper warm-up and stretch. You will be throwing a lot of punches and kicks, and it will be very easy to pull a muscle, especially your hamstrings. 5 to 10 minute warm-up and stretch. Second, the reason your body is calling out for this kind of workout is because it's uniquely beneficial. An MMA style routine will obviously target your lungs and VO2, but also your muscle endurance, strength, flexibility, and even mental health. MMA style workouts are maximizing VO2, but much like other forms of HIIT, you are working in an interval style followed by a period of rest. The intensity of throwing kicks and punches can easily exceed other forms of exercise. Added benefits include heart health, cardiovascular endurance, strong blood circulation, and lower blood pressure. This all leads to increased stamina that will allow you much better future sessions and enhanced performance in sports. Not to mention the calorie burn you get and increased metabolism following this workout. If you've never done a workout like this, you're gonna feel your muscles the next day. It's just a different use of strength and endurance, and your body will be talking back to you. It's explosive, and it's utilizing stores of muscle energy otherwise untapped. You're at a level of coordination only matched by playing high-level sports. Oh, and nothing blasts your core better. Your core needs a 360-degree approach. Here, you don't focus on your core at all, but you hit it hard in every move. All the stabilizer and balance muscles are engaged without even realizing it. Okay, the benefits are undeniable. Let's get into the specifics. We'll break this up into 3 components: arms, legs, and combinations. Solitary moves first, then we'll combine it all together for the real workout. So with arms, start off with the simple jab. This is exactly what it sounds like. Get into a side-facing stance, weight on both feet with a slight emphasis on the forward foot. Right foot forward and jab with the right hand. Important note, do not hyperextend your arm. You want to reach out fully, but not to the point where you engage your tendons and ligaments. Muscles only. Okay, jab out and return weight to your back foot. Keep your hands up near your face. That is one full rocking motion. Repeat this 20 times on the right hand, then do 20 on the left. Second is the hook. This is a lateral swing. Imagine striking your opponent's side body or head. Your elbow is high such that your wrist and elbow are parallel to the ground. Perform the hook move with your leading fist, and then bring your fist back to your face to block. When you do the move, try to swing your hips with the punch as much as you can. That is 1. Perform 20 on the right and left. Third is the uppercut. Same as with the hook, move your hips for added power. This is a vertical thrust, but unlike the jab and hook, the uppercut is performed with your trailing or back arm. This may feel awkward at first, but will make a lot more sense when we combine them all together at the end. 20 each side. Finally is the cross. Same stance, and the move is with your trailing arm and power through with hips and force. Most of your weight will be on your front foot. Engage your hips. 20 each side. All right, let's move on to the legs. Again, we'll do separate moves. First is the forward kick. Start in a sideways facing stance with your left foot forward. We will be kicking our right leg. Shift your weight to the front left leg and kick your right straight ahead. Try to aim for a medium height. Be very careful of your hamstrings here. Do not go too high. After the kick, move your right leg all the way back to the side-facing position with your weight even. Get used to the rhythm. That is 1. Aim for 15 kicks, as this is harder than punches. And if it's still too much, aim for 10 each side. Second is the side kick. This is the quintessential karate kick. Here, stand facing forward with your feet shoulder distance apart. Then move your left foot close to your right foot, and in one smooth motion, kick your right leg directly to the side. Bring it back down to that planted left foot, then move that left foot back to the wide shoulder width beginning stance. This is a rhythm move, flowing. Take your time and practice. Once you get the hang of it, it's a ton of fun. 15 or 10 each side. Last is the back kick. This is a rhythm kick like the side kick, but here your stance is forward much like the front kick. Left foot forward, then move that left foot back near your right foot and kick that right leg straight back, like a horse kick. Then bring that leg back down and move the left foot forward, all in one smooth motion. You may fall or lose your balance, no big deal. Try for 15 or 10 each side. Okay, now comes the fun part, the combinations. This is the real workout. In fact, once you're accustomed to the punches and kicks, you can do abbreviated versions of the previous solo parts and just get right into the combos. They're more fun and they're more efficient. First is jab, cross, hook. This is rhythm, rhythm, rhythm. Once you know how to throw a punch, it's simply putting them all together and keeping your balance. It's literally mimicking a fight. So you move in with a left jab, follow up with a right cross with your hip moving and your weight on your left leg, and as you move your weight back onto your right leg, you move in with a left hook. Sounds complicated, but once you get the hang of it, the move flows very, very well and super fun. The second arm combo is simply to add in the uppercut to the first combo. So we go through those first 3 moves, and after the hook, we follow with the right uppercut. As we finish the hook, we move our way back onto the forward left foot and perform the right arm uppercut. So the first combo was a 3-move rhythm. This one is a 4-move rhythm. They are both awesome and you will be dripping in sweat and smiling. Take a little half-second break between each combo. For instance, it'll be a 1, 2, 3 break or jab, cross, hook, uppercut, break, and that will help you with the rhythm. Okay, legs. The best combination here is the front kick to the back kick. The reason is your stance is the same for both. So you would perform the front kick, then back into side stance, then into the back kick and return. Easy. Okay, here is the best part, combining arms and legs together. As you get comfortable with the moves, you can combine them in any way you like. One of the best is to do the ones that you find the most difficult, and you'll need to find that, of course, for yourself. But to start off, here are some examples. Hook, uppercut, side kick. This one is fun and is an easy transition to the side kick with its forward stance. Be sure to give yourself a moment to set up between each combo. Next is jab, cross, front kick, just as it sounds with a setup pause. Another great combo is jab, cross, hook, uppercut, and then throw in a back kick. Try to get a rhythm on it. In fact, try to get a rhythm on all of these, and when they flow, you'll really get a sense of it, and it makes the workout 10 times more enjoyable. So get creative and make your own combos. Have fun with it. These moves will really test you, but the rewards are incredible. Do this routine once a week if you can, and reap the coordination building, the core building, endurance, and lung capacity that comes with it. Check out this video for more tips and tricks, and we will see you in the next one.